Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Madhya Shahid. In this lecture, I will discuss about integration power rule. In previous lecture, I discussed derivative power rule. So let's start. If we have a function in form of x power n and that function satisfy integration power rule condition, then we use integration power rule, and the condition is without power if function derivative exists along it. For example, without power derivative of x is 1, which exists, then we add 1 in x power and divide power plus 1, which means x power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Understand this with some example. Here first example is find integral of x power 5. We use power rule. Without power if function derivative exists along it. For example, without power derivative of x is 1, which exists, then we add 1 in x power and divide power plus 1. If we add 1 in x power and divide power plus 1, then its integral equal to x power 6 over 6 plus constant, because this is indefinite integral in which no given limits, then we add a constant in indefinite integral. And the next example is find integral of 1 over root of x power 3. If denominator has power 3 by 2 and if we take it in numerator, then sign change, then its power become negative, which is x power minus 3 by 2. First we check this question satisfy integration power rule condition, and the condition is without power function derivative exists along it. For example, without power derivative of x is 1, which exists, then we add 1 in x power and divide power plus 1. This question satisfy integration power rule, so we use power rule here. If we solve this by the help of integration power rule by adding 1 in x power and divide power plus 1, then it become x power minus 1 by 2 over minus 1 by 2 or minus 2 over root of x plus constant. And the next example is find integral of 1 over 2x plus 3 whole power 4. If denominator has power 4 and if we take it in numerator, then sign change, same case like previous example. Then its power become minus 4, and without power function derivative doesn't exist, which doesn't satisfy integration power rule condition, because without power its derivative is 2, which doesn't exist. Then we multiply and divide 2 with this term. 1 over 2 is constant, so take it outside, then apply integral on remaining term. Now this term satisfy power rule condition, then by applying power rule it become 2x plus 3 whole power minus 4 plus 1 over 2 into minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 2x plus 3 whole power minus 3 over minus 6 or minus 1 over 6 2x plus 3 plus constant.